Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today, y'all, I'm so excited. We're doing a Chick-fil-A sandwich copycat, y'all. And this tender and juicy chicken breast is so delicious, y'all. And then of course, you know, your girl got to throw in some nuggets, because why not? And this recipe will be found under my playlist with my copycat recipes. Make sure you check it out. But let's go. So I'm starting with powdered sugar, some whole milk, and a couple of eggs, chili powder, kosher salt, and then I have my buns, of course, and then ground white pepper and breadcrumbs, and then I also have all-purpose flour. And here I have some chicken breast that I have put in buttermilk overnight, and that is a must. So I am just going to add all of my ingredients to my flour, and while I do that, use this opportunity to click that subscribe button if you have not already. I'm just mixing up. You got time? And thank y'all so much to those who have subscribed to my channel or supporting my channel, and shout out to my fellow creators. So I'm just going to trim up my chicken breast. So what I'm going to do is split it in half for the piece for the sandwich, and then the leftover chicken I'm just gonna cut up into cubes for some nuggets. So you can measure whatever size patty you want, but I'm gonna put the piece for the sandwich into a Ziploc because we're going to pound it out. So, you know, tenderizing it with the buttermilk is good, but you know, with chicken breast it could be very temperamental and tough. So I'm just gonna pound it out and make sure that we get a good tender juicy piece of chicken. So I'm making my wet, and I am mixture just to soak my meat in, and then we're gonna dip it into the dry. And so all measurements for the seasonings will be in the description box, so don't worry. But I'm just gonna dip it in there, and then we're gonna put it on a dry rack and let that flour mixture absorb, and before we fry, so that we can have a good crispy coating. So in your oil, about 350 to 360, go ahead and fry up your fillets, and y'all, so good. And Heinz is my jam, y'all, my favorite ma'am. And I'm just gonna build you guys a sandwich real quick because, you know, you're in my kitchen. I want to feed you guys. But look at that beautiful fillet. Isn't that gorgeous? And look at this, y'all. Come on now, look at this. Yes. So yes, we have our golden brown nuggets that are so delicious and juicy, but then it's all about the sandwich today. Look at this, y'all. Come on. Chicken sandwich war has been won, but go on and take that bite. There you go, baby. Look at this, y'all. Look at how tender and juicy this is. When I tell you, it is so good, and it tastes just like it, y'all. That's the key. Tastes just like it. So good. So I hope you guys try this recipe out. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my new video. Bye, y'all.